Hello. This hypnosis guides you into a state of deep relaxation where golden threads of light gently weave through your body, absorbing pain and tension and transforming them into warmth and peace. Whether you seek general healing or localized treatment, this hypnosis will awaken your body's natural ability to restore itself, releasing blockages and inviting balance. Disclaimer: this hypnosis is a guided self-exploration tool designed for personal growth and self-improvement. It is not a substitute for medical, psychological, or professional treatment and advice. If you have a history of trauma, mental health concerns, or dissociation, please consult a qualified professional before engaging in deep hypnosis. Ensure you are in a safe, quiet environment where you can fully relax and remain undisturbed. Now, take a deep breath, find a comfortable position, and allow yourself to embark on a journey of transformation. What a purifying feeling it is to be able to breathe in crisp, nourishing fresh air. To be in this present moment, connecting deeply with yourself, allowing the outside world to blur, and allowing time to dissolve. With each gentle breath, you become lighter and lighter, as though you were shedding a heavy, dusty cloak, one that has clung to your shoulders for so long that you forgot that the weight was not a part of you. With each gentle breath, the knots in your chest untie, as though each breath is unspooling tension like silk unraveling from a spool. As the tension in your body begins to dissipate, you dissolve into the warm ground beneath you, as if the world and earth itself is cradling you, holding you in gentle surrender. Your muscles soften, your heartbeat slows, and with every exhale, you release the heavy weight of your thoughts. As you allow yourself to melt away, you feel the bliss of peace wash over you, like a gentle tide that softly caresses the shore, carrying away every ounce of tension, every trace of strain. Your body becomes weightless, as though you're drifting on a cloud, your limbs completely relaxed, unfolding with each breath, opening more to the healing warmth around you. Your essence rises, glowing, purifying and intertwining with the light of the healing sun. You allow yourself to surrender to the ethereal, to the sacred embrace, knowing pure, brilliant love. In this place of communion, you smell a delicate blend of warmth and purity, a fragrance that caresses your soul and brings peace to your mind. It carries the sweetness of roses in full bloom, with hints of chamomile and a soft aroma of dewy earth. It smells like peace and home, a place where the air is charged with love, serenity, and the quiet hum of eternity. Beyond space, beyond time, a realm filled with unconditional acceptance and liberation. As you are suspended in the sacred moment, you allow yourself to soak in this infinite energy of love. You feel the release of every burden, every pain, every ailment, as though you're gently sinking into this embrace of a warm, heavenly current. This energy, like a soft river of light, flows through you, cool yet soothing, wrapping your limbs in a comforting embrace. The weight of the world drips away, leaving you lighter with each passing moment, as though you were dispersing into the very air around you. In this moment of pure, nourishing presence, you feel as though you're floating in the vast expanse of the universe, held within the loving arms of the cosmos itself, light and limitless. The peace wraps around you like a golden thread, gently touching your skin and absorbing every ache, every pain, every burden, every scar. As this golden thread softly settles over you, it begins to hum with life, kissing what once was broken, healing the places where you thought you could never be whole again. It traces the contours of your body, as if with every touch it whispers, "You are safe, you are loved, you are whole, you are free." As the golden threads continue to wrap around you, it gently settles over a specific area of your body where discomfort lingers, whether a bruise, a wound, or an ache. It begins its work, drawing in the discomfort and heaviness. Like a sponge, the golden thread gently presses against the skin, and you feel an almost imperceptible pull, as though it is reaching into the very fibers of your being. It is a gentle suction, drawing the tightness, the pain, the tension with a gentle, kind, graceful ease. It is not forceful, but rather a natural invitation, as though the body itself is offering up the weight it no longer wishes to carry. The discomfort begins to loosen, and it feels as though the thread is softly unraveling the knots from within, drawing them up and out like water being absorbed by a sponge. Each tender pulse pulling the sensation away from the core of your muscles. It is as though the thread is alive, attuned to the rhythm of your body, knowing precisely where to draw from, where to release. The suction is seamless, effortless, as though the golden light is not just drawing the pain away, but dissolving it into a luminous mist, turning what was once sharp and jagged into something gentle, something soft. Your cells, skin, muscles, and bones all breathe with relief. The discomfort fades with each breath, with each pulse, like soot swept away by the wind, leaving behind only a gleaming, clean space. You feel your body lighten, the weight lifting, and the air around you seems to clear as the golden thread washes over you, leaving a fresh space, untouched, pure. You watch as the golden thread begins to coil, each twist and turn drawing in the energy it has absorbed from your wounds. As it spirals, the light within it amplifies, compressing its energy like a charged particle. And as it gathers the energy, it begins to glow, softly at first, then brighter, until it pulses with the intensity of visioning light. The pain, the tension, once so dense, are now dissipating into the ether, leaving behind only the pure, untainted resonance of healing. The golden thread, now purified, returns to your body, wrapping you in a gentle embrace, like the first plunge into warm, healing waters. The fibers of this golden thread completely submerge you in a bath of nourishing light, as though you're being enveloped by a sacred sea that knows your every need. This golden bath is rich with the essence of life itself, deep and still, flowing through you like mineral-rich liquid, softening, restoring. You feel it sink into the very marrow of your bones, soaking deeply into the fibers of your muscles, flooding the spaces where tightness had once gripped. Every cell is kissed by this restorative energy, like a plant soaking up the first rain after a drought. Your body absorbs the warmth, the comfort, as though the golden thread is a river that replenishes every parched corner of your being. This energy moves through your bloodstream like a silent song, reminding every cell that it is part of a greater whole, part of a perfectly synchronized ecosystem of healing. Your body is no longer working in isolation, but in complete unity, with each cell communicating and flowing in perfect harmony. As the golden threads weaves through the layers of your being, your cells begin to hum with renewed vitality. You feel the rush of energy as your immune system is fully activated, as if a switch has been flipped and your body is now functioning in divine alignment. Every cell is restoring itself to perfect health, each molecule working together as one, as if the healing process is as natural and effortless as breathing. Now, you notice that the pain has completely faded, the swelling has receded, and the skin, once tender, feels lighter, smoother, plump, and stronger. As the golden thread slowly unwinds from the contours of your body, its glow softening with each passing moment, you feel a deep sense of gratitude blooming within you. The thread, now gently unraveling, leaves behind a trail of warmth and serenity, as though it is woven with the last echoes of 1,000 whispered prayers. Each delicate strand, now retreating, takes with it what was once heavy, what was once bound to you. It has lifted the weight from your soul, unbound the knots of worry and pain that clung to your spirit. In its absence, your body feels weightless, as though you have been untethered from all that once held you down. You are free, open, like a vast sky stretching towards the horizon, untouched and infinite. With reverence, you thank the golden threads, your heart glowing with gratitude. Your words are not just words, they are a quiet prayer, a pulse of recognition that flows from deep within your being. Thank you for the healing you have woven into my flesh, for the light you have returned to my bones, for the soft release of every burden that has held me captive. Each syllable, hums with the vibration of an ancient knowing, a deep bond between you and the energy that has just enveloped you in this tender embrace. A deep bond between you and the energy that has just enveloped you in its tender embrace. As you express the silent reverence, the thread responds, its essence still lingering like a golden glow around your body. It hums softly, like a distant chime, its energy now embedded within you, woven into the very fabric of your being. It has left its mark, not as a tangible trace, but as a vibration of light, settling into the deepest chambers of your heart. The gratitude you feel is not fleeting. It becomes a part of you, like the rhythm of a heartbeat, like the flow of breath. In the stillness, you breathe deeply, feeling the resonance of this golden presence within you, knowing that the healing it has gifted you is not an ending, but a transformation. Like a seed planted deep in the soil, this peace will grow and blossom in the quiet spaces of your life, nourishing you from within, infusing your very being with the power of love, of light, of harmony and balance. The golden thread is no longer visible, but its presence remains in the air, in the silence between your thoughts, in the soft hum of your cells, each one now vibrating in harmony with the universe. You feel, at last, the full immensity of what you have received, not just healing, but a return to the very essence of your own radiant self. And in this moment, you are complete, whole, held in the eternal dance of lights and peace that the golden thread has woven into your spirit. Your eyes, closed for so long, now flutter open to the light, soft and golden, bathing you in warmth. Feels as though the world is new, the colors deeper, richer, the shapes clearer, and the air crisper. There's a freshness to everything, like the first moments of dawn when the earth takes its first breath of morning, stretching towards the horizon. You blink, and your senses drink in the sweetness of the world. Each sound, each scent, each movement around you felt with exquisite clarity. The world outside beckons, but inside, there's only a quiet knowing. You are restored, whole, your being a delicate balance of serenity and strength. You feel the pulse of life return to your chest a steady, grounding rhythm that holds you in the flow of time, but no longer rushes you. There is no hurry now. The need to strive, to push, has melted away, replaced by an easy grace, a quiet certainty that you are, and always have been, enough. With each breath, you feel the depth of your restoration, as though the golden thread has woven into the very fabric of your soul, stitching the threads of light and peace into the very core of your being. And so, with the most tender reverence, you welcome yourself back to the world, knowing that this reawakening, though soft, is profound. In this moment, you are more alive than ever, tuned to the rhythm of your own heart and to the gentle, eternal pulse of the universe that holds you.